Okay, so 9.2 is short and sweet. It's all about similarity transformations. We're combining what we learned in Chapter 8 about transformations with what we're learning in Chapter 9 about similarity. So similar figures. Remember in Chapter 8, we talked about rigid transformations. Rigid means it does not change size or shape. And we said two figures were congruent if there was a composition of rigid transformations to get from one to another. Now for similar figures, remember, similar figures are the same shape but a different size. So two figures are similar if there's a composition of rigid transformations and a dilation. Remember, dilation is the one that changes size but doesn't change shape. That maps one figure onto the other. These are called similarity transformations. We're going to look at some examples of that here in the textbook. So, first of all, this is just showing that we could reflect. This is continued, okay? This first part reflects, and then we dilate. So we know these two figures are similar because we reflected and then dilated. We did a rigid transformation and then a dilation. Same thing here. We did a rotation and then a dilation, okay? So we're just identifying that. And if we wanted to figure out the scale factor, we could do the image, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, image length divided by the pre-image length, 2. The scale factor is 2, and it rotated 180 degrees. That's 90, 180, and it got 2 times bigger. Okay? Same thing here. This is just performing a dilation. Scale factor of 3. Down here, it's just identifying if it is a similarity transformation. There's not much to 9.2, just doing similar figures and similarity transformations. That's all.